Welcome to World News, your source for the top global stories. In our first piece, we dive into the record-breaking heat experienced across the globe in 2023. Last year, our planet experienced a level of warmth like never before. The European Climate Agency, Copernicus, reported that the global average temperature for 2023 was 1.48 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial times. Let that sink in. We were less than a hair's breadth away from the 1.5 degrees Celsius warming threshold set in the Paris Climate Accord. The intense heat wasn't just a number on a thermometer, it had severe impacts on regions across the globe. Europe, North America, China, and Africa, none were spared. The record heat led to extreme weather events, from blistering heat waves to devastating wildfires, disrupting lives and livelihoods. But what's causing our world to heat up at such an alarming rate? The main culprit is the increasing amount of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, primarily from the burning of fossil fuels. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperatures. Other factors include natural oscillations and increased solar activity. Copernicus records only go back to 1940, but evidence from tree rings and ice cores suggests that this is the warmest the Earth has been in over 100,000 years. That's a chilling thought, isn't it? As we look ahead, the forecast is even more alarming. The year 2024 is expected to be even hotter than 2023. The urgency to tackle this climate crisis has never been greater. It's not just about setting records, it's about our future on this planet. With the year 2024 expected to be even hotter than 2023, the urgency to tackle this climate crisis has never been greater. Stay tuned as we continue to cover this developing story and more, right here on World News. The record-breaking heat of 2023 has had far-reaching effects, particularly in terms of extreme weather events. We've witnessed the power of nature at its most extreme across the globe, with wildfires, hurricanes, and droughts becoming more frequent and intense. Take wildfires, for example. These raging infernos, fueled by sweltering temperatures, have devastated vast tracts of land. They've razed homes to the ground, disrupted ecosystems, and claimed lives in regions like North America, Europe, and Australia. Then, there's the surge in hurricanes. These mighty storms, born out of warming oceans, have unleashed their fury on coastlines around the world. They've left in their wake a trail of destruction, from demolished homes to shattered communities. And let's not forget about the debilitating droughts. These parched periods, exacerbated by soaring temperatures, have gripped lands far and wide. They've stunted crop growth, strained water supplies, and triggered food shortages in regions such as Africa and China. These calamities have not only disrupted lives, but have also dealt a severe blow to economies. They've underscored the urgent need for not just better preparedness, but also resilient infrastructure that can withstand such extreme weather events. But here's the kicker. As the Earth continues to heat up, the frequency and intensity of these events are expected to rise. Yes, you heard that right. These aren't just one-off incidents, but a preview of what's to come. And that's a significant challenge the world has to face head-on. As the Earth continues to heat up, the frequency and intensity of these events are expected to rise, posing a significant challenge to the world. As we brace ourselves for what's expected to be an even hotter 2024, let's explore what that means for our planet. The forecast suggests a continued rise in global temperatures, pushing us closer to the brink of irreversible climate change. Imagine sweltering heat waves becoming the norm, not the exception, in regions from Europe to North America, China to Africa. The potential for more extreme weather events looms large, with hurricanes, floods, and droughts predicted to increase in both frequency and intensity. Our planet's diverse ecosystems are also under threat. From the lush Amazon rainforests to the frozen Arctic tundra, biodiversity hangs in the balance as species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing climates. Food and water security are also major concerns, as rising temperatures threaten crop yields and freshwater supplies. But it's not all doom and gloom. This dire forecast underscores the importance of global cooperation and swift action to curb greenhouse gas emissions. The solutions are within our grasp. A shift to renewable energy, investment in climate-smart agriculture, and the development of green technologies are just some of the ways we can mitigate the impacts of climate change. While the forecast may seem dire, it underscores the importance of global cooperation and swift action to curb greenhouse gas emissions. That's all for today's edition of World News. Stay tuned for more updates on these and other top stories from around the globe. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and stay with World News.